I can see business is moving well for you.
Yes, it has. Actually, I've been thinking about expanding it.
Oh, great idea. And you'll be tapping into great market and opportunities.
But the problem, I don't have that amount of money right now.
Have you thought about getting credit from your bank?
No, I haven't. I'm not so keen about getting loans.
You'll be able to get back all that money once you open a bigger branch.
It sounds like a very good idea. Let me call my bank and I find out about their loans offers. Yes, hello. I'm calling to find out about how your loans offers for small businesses.
To acquire a loan with us, you will need to produce a certified copy of the certificate of registration, statement of your particulars, including contacts, and the nature of your business.
And then how can I get that certificate of registration?
You can visit the URSB offices to get these documents. Once you have that, and the rest of the requirements, you will be able to apply and be in position to get a loan.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I will go right away. Thank you very much.
Apart from easy access to credit, one can also get more business opportunities in the market. Register your business today with Uganda Registration Services Bureau and enjoy the benefits.